Get him. There you go. Net.
Dirty 30s.
Kutthroat Outdoors. Like and subscribe. Going to Rainy River on a whim. Today is April 12th, and they actually closed down walleye fishing on the, I think the Wednesday. I appreciate the Roths for opening up this opportunity to me. So if you're watching this, thank you, Roth family. Can't wait. Never fished it, but these guys fish it quite a bit. They know what they're doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm excited to get into some walleye potentially, and who knows what else. Fog out here is nasty. I mean, it is thick. Just gotta drive extra slow because I just do not want to hit any deer. Yeah, I'm going like 40 miles an hour, so.
Keep going, keep straighten out a little bit. Just go straight.
Going out here, Rainy River, 2026, baby. State of Canada over there. Great state of Canada. Made it to the spot. Paul's on.
First fish of the...
Let's go. He's already on.
Got that one, Joe?
Yeah, let's go. All right. Good start.
I know you cutthroat boy catch those trout and want those little.
Hey, let's go. I'm on the board. Jack's got 0.
I know.
Paul's got 1, 2.
2. Yeah.
There we go. There we go. Gold jig. Nice looking eye. That would be like a perfect eater right there.
Yeah, that would.
Sorry, I got you guys excited. That had not a lot of weight. It felt heavy. You're right, your hands definitely get a little chilled. This one's got some size.
Yeah, I got some that.
Oh, he's staying down.
I suppose I'll put him up by you. Yeah, do you want to go back over that way? You're doing good, Joe. Keep going.
He's got some juice.
You're doing great. Yeah, just keep going.
He's going under the boat.
That's all right.
Oh.
You're doing great.
Oh man. Ah, don't go under the boat. Come on, buddy. Get out of there.
It's big.
Dude, he's staying down.
Yep, just keep playing him out. I saw him for a second.
Come on.
He's not a northern because he's not running. He's not doing anything.
No.
Oh, there he is. He's huge.
Oh, dude.
Oh my God.
No way, dude.
That thing is massive.
Oh my gosh.
Good job, Joe. Congrats, man.
Oh my gosh. Holy crap.
Oh, that didn't take long.
Oh my god.
Get your gloves too, right?
Holy
crap. Dad, you have the pliers?
Yeah.
You have the pliers?
This thing is like, looks
I would say 28 at least.
Oh my gosh. Should I measure them?
Yep. Yeah, you gotta measure.
Look at the teeth on that thing.
The hook's out. Head first. Pinch 27 3/4.
Dang. Holy
got it all the way back?
crap. Yeah.
27 3/4. Yeah, see?
Jeez.
You want a picture?
Yeah, let's get a pic. Man, I've never caught a walleye like
Okay,
this.
so do other hand. Or other gill. Other gill with your hand.
Okay.
So
This
you
one?
get, yep. That looks great. There you go, Dan.
Wow. This is a
Alright, you can put it in the water.
absolute beast. Make sure she swims away. Wow. There she goes. That was crazy.
One of many.
Nice. Hey, Jack's on the board though.
On the board. Finally got the little one that was nibbling me for you don't have the head. It's just like that, because then the hook's down there more.
Oh.
So when they bite it,
Okay.
then it's like
You really get them.
you get a better chance of them grabbing the hook.
And that's not gonna fall off.
No.
That's crazy.
You're like, oh crap, I'm like, it's going under the boat, and I'm like, yeah, Joe, I'm like, you got a monster.
Know you're coming up on us?
I don't think
Oh,
so.
that's a big one.
Oh.
Is that a fish? Holy crap. That is huge, you guys.
I just
Get the
Jack's on with a big, big fish. Let's go, Jack. Here, I'm gonna reel up. Jack. Oh my gosh.
get the net ready.
Dude.
I'd like to at least see him.
This has gotta be big.
maybe not.
Oh.
It's like a state record with a lot.
Oh my gosh, look at that rod bend.
He's coming up. He's not going down. The guy's gotta be like right there. He's coming up, like I'm gaining on him.
Oh my gosh, dude, what is this?
Okay, he's gotta be right here.
Oh my gosh, dude. Oh!
Must have been a sturgeon.
That had to have been a sturgeon, right? Dang, Jack.
Oh, like, cause he's getting close, like the leader.
Oh,
He popped my leader right off there.
that hook set was crazy, man.
I don't think so.
Care.
The way you set the hook, you like threw your entire body into that thing.
That was like a 7-footer.
Jeez, dude.
Yeah, you should've seen
What is up with you?
Yeah, when I like felt the bend go all the way down to the water, I'm like, I'm letting out line. I'm like,
Paul's on. Fish on? Oh yeah, that's a perfect eater. That's a good size.
you see me? I was
Dude.
like, holding my line. I'm like, screw it, whatever happened.
Want the net?
Oh, it's a little.
Oh. Nice. Good color on him. Is a lake? That's a lake one, right? Because he's kind of lighter.
Yeah, I would think so.
Nice. Good catch. Nice.
The biggest one in the family is Uncle Pete at 29.5. Yeah, I've been cool if they at least let us keep one fish.
Good eater though. Sauger? No. Yeah? Is that a sauger? Let's see it.
Joe.
Oh yeah.
Soccer.
Nice.
I like telling you, my wrists are tired already from that one fish. Should have brought like one of those weightlifting bands. A wrist. That's probably getting close to 18 inches.
It's good size. Nice catch, Paul. That's like a perfect eater.
Joe, I could tell you have never held a big one before, just based on how you're placing your hand.
Paul's on. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Nice.
Bad, huh?
Wow. Beaut.
Like a bat.
How about that, huh?
That's a healthy fish.
That scale. 22 3/4.
22. Nice.
Almost 23.
Good healthy fish.
Yeah, isn't that crazy how big like 22 looks? When it's pregnant?
Send that picture to Philip and Michael.
I'll text it to him. Wally.
We're like,
Oh, that's a nice one. Nice. Oh, that's a good one. Nice, Jack.
biggest. That's fine, guys. Am I on?
What do you got to say for yourself, Jack?
Back at it at noon. Soup was good. Fishing. Shut off about what? 11 o'clock. Hot at 9. Lips are chapped. Not no more. Ready to go again, baby. I can't feel my right wrist. I feel like I need to go get surgery or something. The old corporate fingers here.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, car's starting.
That was great. Jack had probably either a state record walleye on the line or a massive sturgeon. He set the hook like he was setting into a truck.
Dirty 30s.
Dirty 30s. That's the goal today. You got the net, Jack? Oh, that's a nice one. Nice. Holy crap. There you go.
36. I'm just kidding. 25. See, 25.
Way to show them up, Pops. You bet.
What do you got?
25.
25. Nice. Nice. Yeah.
It's right here. It's our height.
Huh.
Nate.
Yeah. Oh, it's a sucker. Look at that. Almost looks like a walleye for a second. I could probably horse him.
Got a big sturgeon on. Oh my. Joe, seriously. There's no freaking way I'm gonna get that in.
Oh my god.
Joe.
I could see if I can hand toss him in.
You get this on your.
Oh my god. Dude, Jack.
Joe, it's
You're gonna get it by the tail?
like a 7-footer. I'll do it. I just don't want to do it, but I'll do it. Oh my goodness. Did you see the size of that thing? What are we gonna do? Slip it up there?
Yeah, maybe if you grab the rod, I'll see if I can hoss him in.
No. Oh my god. Did you see the size of that? I knew he was gonna get one. It's like,
That bite was so light too, it was crazy.
like, dude, it's the size of the boat. Just put it back in the water. But don't get all in the anchor.
Jeez.
got it. You must have got that.
Yeah.
See, I tell you, those sturgeon, they act stupid. They come up, and then eventually they.
Oh my god.
And then they get real smart, and they're like, "Yeah, I'm not coming back. I'm not coming back up."
Oh no.
But don't snap your pole.
Now you're gonna play.
Did you see how big that was? It came up. It was like by the boat.
I'm dying,
Not
dude.
anymore. Go right down.
Oh my god.
It with this walleye, man. I was like, oh, there he is.
I see.
I have a big net of 22.
Dude. Oh my god. Oh. Oh man, my arm is tired.
Huh?
My arms are tired. Holy crap.
Well, you. That thing was.
When that
That thing is bigger than you.
Oh my god.
It popped up. I'm like, I don't even want to. I don't want to touch that. Like, it's not fishing. That's like.
Oh my god. Yeah, when he first surfaced, I was dying.
Like, I didn't even know that existed.
Oh.
All right, so you're thinking if I grab him by the tail, that's gonna be the way to go.
He's getting tired.
Joe, you're just a river monster. Walleye. Yeah, I know he's catching. Don't get him over by that anchor though. And then we're gonna have a real fun time with that. He's gonna surface. And
He's coming.
he's gonna like jump in the boat and smack me in the face. He's like, dang it, I thought I was on one of those walleye poles. I could just snap it off.
You need to come up with a real rod. These guys fishing these suckers, they have.
Well, you were sitting there like getting little bites on walleye or whatever. All of a sudden I see this like human body come up on it. I'm like, what in the heck?
Oh man.
He might be in it for a while, Dad. He might be good. Oh man. I can tell like that what I had on is similar to his. Like how it's like, yeah,
He's-
like it's just bogging like that.
He's getting closer.
Well, I guess I should have told you to bring your sturgeon net too.
I know. Well, I had that musky net that.
Yeah, no, I got a big musky net at home. I didn't think it was. So Philip said, tell Joe about it. You really like the sturgeon fish.
I mean, look at that bend in that rod. Isn't that something though, how they come up like that?
It's crazy. He came up right away.
Yeah, and they kind of just like, hey,
And then
how's
just-
it going? And then they go, oh crap, this doesn't feel good in my lip. And then they go to the bottom.
My arms are gonna be so tired.
Hey, I'm going back to the bottom again.
Joe, you're having a heck of a day. You're having
Oh my gosh.
Having a lake of the
This might be the greatest day fishing I've ever had. Oh, it's like heaven.
That was unbelievable.
Phil's gonna get a riot out of this.
Did you see that thing? It was like 7 feet long. I
a big one.
saw it come up and I looked at both of you guys and I'm like, I hope they're not going to ask me
That's
to
the
deal with
biggest
that.
one I've seen.
I've never seen one. I've never seen a sturgeon that big. That was,
This was a guy in Yellow Lake over in Wisconsin. He had like fought it for like 2 hours and it was, I couldn't get in there. It was like 7 feet.
Oh, there he is. You see him?
oh my. Dad, I've never seen a sturgeon that big. I mean, that's unbelievable. What do you want to do? Here, I can grab him.
Yeah. See, if you can grab like his.
Dad, put your weight back that way if you can. I'm not going to do anything with it. I'm going to grab his tail.
I'll grab the line.
I'm trying to keep it out of there. Dad, I need someone to help me.
Yes! No way! Oh my gosh!
God, congratulations, dude.
See,
Nice
now
grab!
Now you gotta get in the seat. And
Oh
like,
God!
That is unbelievable. we don't have a measurement. Sorry.
I have a measuring tape in my bag. Yeah. Holy crap! Here, yeah.
Down there for 600 years.
I'll grab a quick measure. Oh my gosh, dude!
see if we had a picture though.
56 inches? 57? We'll go. Oh. Oh my god.
Can you stand up with them?
Yeah.
That would be all.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
This
is the best day ever, dude.
Dude, that's unbelievable.
Oh
So you get
God.
the measurements for sure?
Yeah, like 57. We'll get this guy back. Oh. There he goes.
Congratulations.
Thanks, man. Oh, that was so awesome.
That's a 30. 30.
Paul's on. Paul's on. Good head bobs. Oh yeah, nice. Nice fish. That's a healthy walleye. Oh yeah.
See how that's came up.
We upgraded. It was a 10 earlier.
That's a nice, that's a nice healthy fish.
Yeah.
Did it? Yeah, that's. Do you think that's a male?
No.
Back there.
Nice, yeah. Paul's on one. It's a nice walleye. Man, I haven't had a bite since that frickin' human corpse.
Oh, jeez. God, that was like.
Nice eater.
That was ridiculous. I'm getting bites too.
Paul's got a nice walleye on. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Nice catch. Wow. Good fish.
How about that one, huh?
Woo!
That white's been
Dang!
White? The white?
Look at that, Joe.
You want a picture?
The old white jig.
Joe's iPhone 12. We upgraded. It was a 10 earlier.
It's a nice, that's a nice healthy fish. Dang, Paul's crushing it. Paul is. I might switch to white.
Throw the white on.
Envisioning the walleye.
There's a big one right there.
That's Willie.
Willie.
1 for 1. We'll find out on day 2.
It's the last day, day 2. Oh my, day 2. It's been a blast. If you get a chance to fish the Rainy, fish the Rainy. That's all I'm gonna say. We had a lot of luck in the morning, especially with those bigger walleyes. Jack caught quite a few in the morning. That's when I got that 27 incher. And then in the afternoon, actually, Paul was crushing it with the walleye. He caught some nice ones off the back of the boat. He was using like a white jig. We were using mostly gold jigs with the frozen shiners down there, and that was doing the trick. We thought that it might rain this morning. I don't think it's gonna rain. I don't know. I hope it doesn't, but it's a little chilly. It's probably like 34, 35 degrees, just above freezing. If we have as much luck as we did in the morning yesterday, hopefully it's kind of comparable today. So
Ben Shapiro says it's time to ask some serious questions. The key question is whether we're safe anymore. Of course, it is a question we've been asking for years, given the
yeah, you too. Net? Paul's on. Paul's on. This is how we started yesterday too. Come on, baby.
You never know. You never know.
Let's go 30. Nice fish. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. Woo, yeah. Dang. You still got that white jig?
No, I tried to start off with it, but no, that white's kind of a night thing, you know?
Sure.
Back to the chartreuse.
Oh my gosh, that thing is heavy, dude.
Wow.
You probably could stand on that, honestly.
Did pretty good. Down. Hey, that might be good for fishing. A little current underneath. Right?
Yeah, you got a nice little backdraft on that thing.
Yeah.
That is crazy,
Probably
dude.
like
Oh yeah, he's got size for sure.
That's a good one. Just play them. Yep, keep playing them out. You're doing good. Good.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't know. He's running like crazy.
You feel like you're gaining on him at all?
A little bit. Yeah, he's definitely like not
So not like a straight.
massive.
Huge.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Nice net job, dude.
Dude, he popped out.
Oh my
That's
gosh.
gotta be. Oh, that's like 28 again.
Dude.
It's gotta be at least 28.
Oh my gosh. Let's get a measurement on him. Yeah, he ran. He's beefy, man. He's got some goofy stuff going on with his dorsal fish. She does. Female, sorry. I'll get a measurement on him. Quick.
20. Oh, that's 28.
What do you got?
Jeez, just the same as yesterday. I
Call it
it's just-
28.
What do you got?
I mean, his nose.
28.
Yeah.
Like right there. Look at that. 28 if I pinch it as much. Look at this.
Oh, yeah.
28.
Sweet, dude.
28
Oh my gosh, this is crazy.
fingers, you know? Like you're gonna squeeze
Stuff on it.
and then yep, there you go. There you go.
Beauty. Wow. 28. Or the first was like, there he goes. Jeez. Holy crap.
That one touched 28.
Yeah, that was a chunky.
New PB.
Oh. Get him. There you go. Net? Alright.
Nah, it's not that big. Leave it.
No. Okay. Well, you got him. There you go. Nice.
It's fun to catch them though. Oh. That was really close. Let's reel up. Reel up, Joe. Reel it up. That was like right on top.
Holy cow. That's not good.
Get that anchor up.
Go, Joe.
Jeez. There we go.
Jeez. Okay, here's that little button on.
I got that thunder on camera. That would be cool.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Oh.
That was a loud crackle. Pick it out, the maple syrup. Should we go take a little shot? Not good.
3 seconds away from us. What are
that picture of your sturgeon is super funny.
Oh,
you had it
he's
turned
hugging it.
You're
and his eyes are
and
closed.
that
He's
big
like,
lip was down underneath. It's just nasty.
He's like a big suction cup. That was really weird.
Don't say that too loud.
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna rain. I don't think it's gonna be lightning.
Yeah, the lightning strikes are minimal now. We can go back out.
That's kind of freaky, huh?
Yeah, that was crazy. There we go. Paul's on. Paul's on. Ooh, that's a nice walleye. Oh!
Jeez, I almost got clipped in my head.
Yeah,
There we go.
that's probably a sucker.
Oh, it's
yeah.
a big one.
Yeah, I should. No, that's okay. I'll just manhandle him in. If I had a smoker, I would actually probably bring that home.
My 30 inches. Nah, I can't keep that on right here. Oh, he just threw that minnow like.
Get away, Jack. Bite's turning on. That's a perfect eater.
That's the most perfect walleye I've seen in a while.
Mm-hmm.
How perfect that is. Like the color and
Yeah.
he's like, yeah, I get it, let me go. Save the gophers.
Dang, that thing is buoyant.
Yeah, that thing is just sitting there.
What you got in that hat, Paul?
Grease from his head.
It's got some hair oil in it.
Oh yeah. Look at that. That's a keeper for sure.
Gopher Nation.
Just getting done. This morning we were getting quite a few bites. We landed some nice fish and then it kind of shut off again. So it was today was definitely a slower day than yesterday. But overall just a blast. We caught a lot of good fish, had a lot of action. I actually was very fortunate and ended up boating 27 3/4, and then today boated a 28-inch walleye, which was a blast, and then got a surprise sturgeon that was like 57 inches, which was insane. Jack had a really good day the first day. Same with Paul. They both caught a lot. They definitely had the numbers. Some really nice ones in like the 20s and mid 20s. And yeah, the first day was definitely the better day though. The second day, like I said, it kind of slowed down. The bite wasn't as hot. We got a little bit of rain today and then some lightning randomly, which was kind of crazy. A great trip, and man, I'm just grateful that I got to go on this because I've always wanted to fish the Rainy River. Thank you, Paul. Thank you, Jack, for the invite. Philip, wish you could have made it. Same to you, Michael. But you guys got to get up here. I'm sure you know already, but we missed having you. But it was a good time, regardless. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Tight lines.